we're gonna explore some lakes and some mountains, some valleys, and do all these adventurous activities that Switzerland has to offer.
I hope you're having an amazing day. It's Mark Wiens. I am in Kunming, which is the biggest city and the capital city of Yunnan province in China. And today I'm gonna take you on a Chinese street food tour. We're gonna eat some of the local specialties. So I'm excited to share this entire day of Chinese street food with you.
Chisinau, Moldova. Another place a few years ago I never really thought I would have ever found myself. But here we are, former Soviet Republic of Moldova.
Have you ever thought that by sharing your daily life, emotions, or interests with the world, you can not only win people's hearts, but also build a successful career? The rapid growth of vlogging worldwide in 2025 is proof that it's not just entertainment, but a platform that can change your life. Whether you're passionate about traveling, a food enthusiast, or knowledgeable about fitness, vlogging provides you with a platform to share your voice with the world. In this video, we'll guide you through all the key steps and tips to start vlogging, share creative ideas, and show you how vlogging can be the start of a successful career. The first step to starting vlogging is selecting a specific topic or niche based on your interests and skills. If you love traveling, share your travel stories and tips. Or, if you're passionate about cooking, share recipes and food experiences. Fitness, education, or any other hobby you're skilled in can be your niche. This is what will make your channel unique and help you connect with your audience. You don't need expensive equipment to start vlogging. You can begin with a smartphone that has a good camera. For better audio quality, use a simple microphone. And for lighting, opt for affordable LED lights. Free apps like CapCut or iMovie are enough for editing. The most important thing is to make sure your content is creative and interesting. Make a list of ideas for your videos and create a clear script for each one. Set a schedule so you can upload videos regularly and keep providing fresh content to your audience. Consistency and planning are key to your channel's success. To maintain viewer engagement and interest, your content needs to always be fresh and engaging. During recording, stay natural and confident in front of the camera. Speak openly and let your personality shine. When editing, remove unnecessary parts and use transitions, music, and effects to make your videos more engaging. Remember, less is often more. Effective editing keeps the viewers focused on your message. Once the video is complete, upload it to YouTube or other social media platforms. Make the thumbnail eye-catching and ensure the title and description are clear and engaging. Share your videos on social media to reach as many people as possible. A good thumbnail and catchy title can compel viewers to watch your video, so take your time on them. The key to success in vlogging is consistency and engagement with your audience. Upload videos regularly and respond to comments from your viewers. The more you connect with your audience, the more they will engage with your content. Viewer engagement is the best way to guarantee growth for your channel, so make sure to answer their questions and value their feedback. Vlogging can be a creative journey that can change your life. If you've decided to start vlogging, now is the time to turn your dreams into reality. Share your unique story with the world and take the first step toward a successful career. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Best of luck with your next vlog.